One common area that new students of networking have trouble is understanding the difference between IP networks and domains. Now, domains are separated by routers, and they have numeric address spaces. So, in other words, here I've got two networks. They're separated by a router. This one has addresses that are on the 10.0. something address space, and this one, they're on the 192.168.0. something address space. How do I know where to stop that? Well, it all has to do with this number at the end, the 16 and the 24, but we'll worry about that later. In this case, I've got a server down here in this IP domain or IP network, and a server up here in this IP network, and I have made these both domain controllers, and I have labeled these. This one is acme.local, and this one is example.local. So domains are networks that are chopped up or separated, segregated by a namespace. So acme.local over here, example.local over here. They do not necessarily follow the IP address lines of demarcation. Now, quite often they do, but they don't necessarily. So over here, I've taken this server out. I have just one server, and this domain is acme.local, and it crosses over two IP domains. So these are two completely separate ways of grouping networks. Domains are grouped by Active Directory domain controllers, and IP networks are separated by routers. And the two may group each other completely differently or along the same lines.